Okay guys, like in many languages, in French there's a lot of ways to talk about cars and a lot of slang words for this. So today we'll study 3 of them, mostly because they are so common that there's not much more than this. So I would say 99% of the time French people will talk about their car using the word bagnole, which is the very standard slang word for a car. And we have a typical example here. Elle est où ta bagnole? Which means where is your car? Where you can also see a typical construction of spoken French with this strange sequence of words, starting with she is where your car, something like this. That's definitely the most common way to ask a question when you speak French and not when you write French. So a very good way to learn the maybe less academical way to ask questions. The second example, or the second slang word is caisse, which basically means a box, a metal box. And this is pretty used as well, I would say. Maybe it's very common, less common than bagnole, but quite common. And here the example is putain, c'est une super caisse, which means wow, this is a really cool car. And the last slang word is poubelle, which literally means trash can. It's one that you will not use without any consequence. I would say use this one with a very good friend, because if you talk about the car of a friend saying poubelle, it's a kind of insulting, at least for the car and sometimes for the guy or the girl as well. So be careful with this one. Here the example is t'es sûr qu'elle va démarrer ta poubelle? Which means, are you sure your car will start? And that's a typical example because of the very low quality of the car in this case. Here again, it's a very interesting construction of the sentence. It's a typical spoken French. It's literally translates like, are you sure that she will start your car? As you can see, the subject is at the end of the sentence, which is very common as well in spoken French. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe. Thank you.